I've got the scoop on Amazon's coolest car gadgets for 2025 that you won't find anywhere else. From smart sensors to futuristic lights, let's dive into the top. Hit play and join me. The 2-in-1 CarPlay wireless adapter transforms your wired CarPlay or Android Auto into a seamless wireless experience, eliminating tangled cables and enhancing driving convenience. It supports navigation music, voice assistant phone calls, text messaging, and more, ensuring a cleaner car and safer driving. The plug-and-play setup allows you to connect quickly with just a 3-step process, and the device automatically reconnects every time you enter the car, even if your phone is in your pocket. Equipped with an upgraded chip and advanced signal filtering, it provides a fast and stable connection, supporting steering wheel controlled touchscreen and knob operations for a smooth, reliable user experience, making your drives more enjoyable and effortless. The SCRWBSS car phone holder features a fixed bracket arm that reduces shaking while driving, providing stable support for your phone. Compatible with smartphones up to 7 inches, including models like iPhone 14, Pro Max, Samsung S10, and more. It holds your phone securely without the need to press around the back. The 360-degree rotating function on both the bracket arm and holder allows for versatile positioning at various angles and heights, perfect for both the driver and passenger. The 2-in-1 design combines a car cup holder expander with a phone mount fitting large bottles 1240 Oz and expanding to 3.94 inches for easy installation in most vehicles, including SUVs, Teslas, and RVs. Enjoy a more convenient and safe driving experience with SCRWBSS. The car detailing brush set features durable PP plastic handles, ensuring waterproof and corrosion-resistant use, unlike wooden handles that can wear out quickly. The drilled holes design allows you to easily hang the brushes for drying and storage. The set includes 6 ultra-soft brushes that do not shed bristles, providing strong cleaning power, whether used dry or wet. The brushes are non-scratch with hog bristles and PP silk fibers that clean stubborn stains without damaging your car. This multi-use set comes in different lengths and thicknesses to tackle various cleaning tasks, including wheels, vents, and interiors. It's a great tool for personal use or as a gift for car enthusiasts. The Utenwolf digital tire pressure gauge offers precision accuracy calibrated manually to ANSI B50.7 grade 2A, ensuring ±1 psi accuracy. It performs reliably in extreme weather conditions with a built-in AI chip and thermal compensation to maintain accuracy from 4 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius. The gauge measures tire pressure in a range of 3 to 200 psi, making it suitable for all vehicle types. Replaceable OBD2 batteries extend its lifespan, and the backlit LED display and lighted nozzle ensure visibility in dark areas. Sturdy and durable, it can withstand impacts even when run over by a car, maintaining full functionality. The Utenwolf tire pressure gauge is a dependable tool for accurate tire pressure readings, regardless of conditions. The Encel 8310 OBD2 Scanner is a highly recommended tool by Scotty Kilmer, a YouTube mechanic. It easily reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, checks live data, and displays freeze frame and IM monitor readiness, helping you identify the cause of the check engine light. With a sturdy 2.5-foot cable, the scanner's compact design, weighing just 12 ounces, ensures portability, and the large clear screen displays results quickly. Fast and accurate, it provides precise readings within seconds without requiring any car knowledge or external power. Supporting all major OBD protocols, it is compatible with a wide range of vehicles from 1996 US models to newer foreign and domestic cars. Perfect for home or travel use, it's a must-have tool for any car owner. The RV travel trailer cover is built with 7-ply non-woven fabric and a 2,000mm waterproof membrane, providing superior protection against rain, snow, and scratches. It features sunblock and waterproof technology to prevent aging and tearing from sun exposure. This cover comes with a comprehensive package that includes a tongue, jack cover, ladder cover, repair patch, wind ropes, and gutter covers to protect sharp parts. Designed to be windproof and breathable, the cover has 6 vents that reduce wind pressure and release internal moisture, keeping your RV clean and dry. The weighted buckle toss bag ensures easy installation, and reflective strips enhance safety at night, making this cover an excellent choice for protecting your trailer. The Rowwinnie back seat extender for dogs expands your car's rear area to 53 inches in width and 24.8 inches in depth, offering ample space for your dog to stretch, reducing anxiety during long trips. With a 420 lbs load capacity, the hard-bottom hammock provides sturdy support, perfect for large dogs or multi-dog families. Made with 7-layer premium material, including waterproof and non-slip features, it ensures durability and easy cleaning. The mesh window allows your dog to see you, helping reduce anxiety, and the storage pockets keep toys and snacks handy. This waterproof anti-scratch cover protects your back seat from hair slobber and scratches, ensuring your vehicle stays clean and your dog is comfortable on the go. The portable washer is designed for areas with limited water access, offering a gentle stream of up to 130 psi, not a high-pressure washer, but perfect for light cleaning tasks. Powered by a rechargeable 12V battery or alternatively via carport or home plug, it features a 60-watt diaphragm motor pump and a continuous trigger nozzle for efficient operation. Weighing just under 17 pounds and measuring 14 x 21 inches, it's easy to transport. The 19.6-foot flexible hose and 4.5-gallon water reservoir allow for convenient extended use. Ideal for small cleaning jobs, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. If the box is improperly sealed, the manufacturer ensures it's in brand new condition upon request. The 20AB Max Lithium Ion Drill features a long-lasting lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. With a 24-position clutch, it provides extra control, preventing stripping and overdriving screws for precise results. The soft grip handle adds comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue. This drill comes with an assortment of 30 accessories, giving you everything needed to tackle a variety of projects. As part of the 20AB Max system, it is designed for superior performance, making it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Durable and reliable, it's a tool that demands attention for any task. The metal inflatable air compressor features a metal cylinder and gear, allowing for continuous operation up to 20 minutes with a maximum pressure of 160 psi, making it efficient for inflating up to 4 tires at once. With dual power supply options, it can be powered by a DC 12V or 20V rechargeable battery, ensuring flexibility for use on the go. The automatic shutoff feature and LCD screen display the desired and current tire pressure, with the option to switch between bar kPa and PSI. It offers fast inflation with 195/65 R15 tires, filling in just 4 minutes, multiple purpose and easy to use. It's perfect for cars, motorcycles, and more, and comes with an exclusive storage bag. The Shzi 4-in-1 USBC lightning cable offers a versatile rocket-shaped design to meet all your charging needs, allowing you to charge and sync multiple devices with one cable. It supports 60W fast charging, powering up devices like MacBook Pro 13 and iPhone 15 in no time, up to 50% in 30 minutes for MacBook and 60% in 30 minutes for iPhone. Compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this cable ensures stable connections while driving. Made with anti-tangle nylon braided material and rust-proof zinc alloy connectors, it promises durability with over 4,000 bend tests. Ideal for home office travel and car use, it comes with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support.